right, now we're given a graph and they want us to find a function in terms of cosine that matches the graph. So if I'm looking for cosine, I'm going to highlight one period of cosine that I see in the graph. And the only way I see one period is if I start here, I curve up, I curve down, and there's the end of my one full period of cosine. If I focus in on that, then I should be able to find everything I need for my equation. The first thing I'll look for is my amplitude. And there's a formula you can use to find that. It's your highest y value minus your lowest y value divided by 2. So my highest y value is 1 minus my lowest y value is negative 3 divided by 2. That's 4 over 2, which is 2. So that's my A. Next thing I'm going to find is my vertical shift. And the formula for that is your highest point plus your lowest point divided by 2, because it's going to be in the middle of those. So that's going to be 1 plus negative 3 divided by 2, which is negative 2 over 2, which is negative 1. So that means I go down 1. And you can see that here, that this is the middle of that high and low point. Now what I can do is recognize that normally cosine starts up and goes down, but since it starts down, I know it's reflected across the x-axis. And now I need to find my period. Well, the beginning and end of my period is pi minus negative pi, so that's 2 pi. So that in order to find my b value, 2 pi equals 2 pi over b. So 2 pi b equals 2 pi. B equals 2 pi over 2 pi, which is 1. And I see that since we're starting here, right, we went left pi units to start. So I have everything I need now to write this cosine curve. F of x equals cosine, and stuff is happening to it. First, we have an amplitude of 2. We know that is reflected across the x-axis. It's shifted down 1. Our period is 2 pi, therefore b is 1. And we went left pi units, so that's x plus pi. So from looking at that one period, I was able to analyze it and find all the parts for the equation.